Hello. In this video I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of a Ubiquiti UniFi USG or Ubiquiti security gateway. So this device is something you could use as like a router. So your internet would go in here and then you would connect your LAN to it and would do NAT and things like that. So here we have Quickstart guide. And if you find this unboxing helpful, I'll put a link in the description to a link to this on my Amazon affiliate account. And if you use that link, it will help me out a little bit and won't cost you anything extra. And I'll also put a link down there to my Ubiquiti playlist where I have videos on some other Ubiquiti products. So this is the Quickstart guide. Talks about setting it up, how to get into it. So this is a UniFi gateway. So to access this, you would use a UniFi controller, and you can, connect to this and Wi-Fi access points and things like that. And here is the gateway. So I have my ruler here. We'll measure. It's 5 1/4 inches, and I'm pretty sure this is square. Yep. Or for my metric viewers, it's 134 millimeters. It's got mounts here, so you can mount it on a wall. You can mount it in any orientation, it looks like. And then it might be hard to see, there are little rubber feet here, so if you set it down. But this just came off the mail truck and it is ice cold. I'll have to let this warm up before I plug it in so I don't get condensation on it. But it's very dry around here, so not a problem. We've got a grounded plug here and a Mickey Mouse connector there. And this is a 100 to 240 volt, 50 to 60 hertz, 0.5 amp max input, and the output is 12 volts at 1 amp. So this plugs in here and gives it power. And then on the front we have the console reset. I think that's serial console, but I'm not completely sure. WAN 1, LAN, and WAN 2, LAN 2. So you could hook this up to, say, I don't know, DSL, and then this up to cable, and I think it'll do automatic failover if I'm understanding correctly. Or you could set that up as a LAN. It's highly configurable. And this will have the UniFi graphical interface. Yeah, I guess you can get into the command line and do even more things with this. So a lot of people that are looking at the Ubiquiti products will look at this or an edge router. The edge router is quite a bit cheaper. They seem to have similar performance maybe. This seems to work pretty good. I think in a home environment this would work pretty good for most people. I guess if you really get up to the high speeds where you're doing special packet detection, things like that, this can fizzle out a little bit, but for most people's needs, if you just have a household, you want to stream some video and do some things like that, this will probably be plenty powerful for those needs. So that's just my quick unboxing of this gateway, and I'll probably be making more videos on this. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.